Pigeons are some of the most stable of the companion birds, and I don't think people realize, really what you're dealing with when you're talking about birds. They're very smart. They're very intelligent. Everybody's always concerned about the intelligence of a creature. Oh, is my dog smart? Not as smart as a bird, and a bird can do just about everything a dog can do, and fly too. Remy, come on, let's go, baby. Come on. Here, let's go. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. The bird will follow me wherever I go. If I go outside, the bird will follow me. It won't leave my side like a dog. It's the same thing. Once you have that bonding and the training, it's just like a dog or any other trained animal.